Hey there, James here for SmartCart. And in this video, we're going to cover how to install SmartCart onto your Shopify store. Before we get into the actual installation, there are two things you need to make sure that you have done first. The first thing being that you make sure you have carrier calculated shipping installed or added to your Shopify account. And if you watched the previous video, you know you can go and add either the advanced Shopify plan, or you can contact Shopify support and have them add that to your account. The second thing you need to do is to go ahead and go to the SmartCart private group on Facebook and request to join. That group there is going to be the main place you're going to go for support. Several of the members in there have been using SmartCart for over a year, some even up to 2 years, so they are very well versed in SmartCart. And in addition to that, I check the group periodically throughout the day to see if there are any questions or problems. Once you've requested to join that group and I've allowed you in, I'll also go ahead and send you a friend request via Facebook, and then that way you'll be able to contact me directly on Messenger if you have some problems that you need resolved more quickly. I am in the United States, so if I don't get back to you within a couple of hours, it's probably because I am sleeping. So moving on to the installation, let me go ahead and add here. So in case you didn't get the email with your installation link, or you maybe typed in an incorrect email or something, the address you'll go to once you're logged into your Shopify store is going to be this: http://smartcart.futurumco.com/shop equals, and then here will be your myshopify.com domain. So in the case of this store, it is smartcartshipping.myshopify.com. So this will be the URL that you go to, and again, they'll have your myshopify domain name here instead of mine. And let's go ahead and do that real quick. Copy this. Alright, and you should see this screen. You can ignore this message at the top here where it says this app isn't listed in the App Store. It doesn't matter, it just says that it's not a publicly available app. And go ahead and hit Install Unenlisted App. And that is it. So this is what you'll see. You'll be on the SmartCart screen. Now if you do get an error message, more than likely you entered something incorrect with your myshopify.com domain when you were checking out. If that is the case, then go ahead and hop over into the group. Again, make sure you go ahead and hit this join group button, but go ahead and leave a message in the group and what your domain name is, and I will check in the back end to make sure that that is correct and matching there. And then once I've responded, then you can go ahead and again go to the URL. Where did that go? Go to this URL here after I've corrected it for you, and go ahead and try and reinstall. And then you should be again at this screen here. And that's it for this video. In the next videos, I will show you how to go ahead and set up your store and set up your shipping.